Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Android device. In today's video, we're going to show you how to choose when player controls are hidden in YouTube on Android. The player controls in the YouTube app can be incredibly helpful, but sometimes they can be distracting. Luckily, you can customize when they appear and how long they stay on the screen. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. First, you need to open the YouTube app on your Android device. If you haven't already signed in, enter your login credentials and sign in. Step 2. Go to Settings. Next, you'll need to tap on your profile picture at the top right-hand corner of the app. From there, select Settings. Step 3. Choose Accessibility, scroll down until you see the Accessibility option and click on it. Step 4. Turn on Accessibility Player. From there, turn on Accessibility Player. This will enable you to customize when player controls appear on the screen. Step 5. Press Hide Player Controls. Press Hide Player Controls to choose when the player controls will disappear. Step 6. Choose your preferred duration. Finally, choose your preferred duration for how long you want the player controls to stay hidden. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to choose when player controls are hidden in YouTube on Android. By following these steps, you can customize the viewing experience to your liking and reduce distractions while watching your favorite videos. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see us cover in a future video, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.